Okay. The next topic is degree of accuracy. Degree of accuracy means how accuracy we are following for finding the dimension of the particular type of item in estimation. Okay, how accuracy we are following for finding the dimension. Okay, so generally this accuracy will depend upon the type of item cost. Okay, whatever cost is considered for that item, based on that cost we need to take accuracy of the dimension. That means the accuracy will depend on cost of item and what are the unit of cost we are paying. Okay, the accuracy is depend upon the cost of item and how much cost we are paying for that unit of that item. Okay, so if the cost of item is higher costs are there. Okay, higher cost or rate, anything. If there are higher rates, then we need to take greater accuracy. Okay, we need to consider greater accuracy for finding the quantities. Okay, to calculate the quantities, we need to take the greater accuracy. Okay, so how we maintain that accuracy? Okay, so when the rate is high, okay, for an item, and the rate is high to pay per unit. Okay, when the rate is high to pay per unit for an item, we need to take the dimension absolutely to the correct value. Okay, so correct value means up to which point we need to take. Okay, so if you remember in your laboratories, there is we are considering the least measurement. So like that we need to take here. When the rate is high, we need to consider up to the nearest 1 centimeter to 0.5 centimeter. Okay, that means 1 centimeter to half centimeter. We need to consider 1 centimeter up to 1 centimeter. Okay, so like that minimum measurement, the least measurement we need to consider. Okay, so that is 1 centimeter or 0.5 centimeter. Okay, so and we need to consider at least two decimal places. Okay, whatever quantity we are finding. Okay, for the quantity, not for the dimension, for the length and breadth. Okay, so length and breadth we need to consider up to 1 centimeter to 0.5 centimeter. Okay, the nearest value of 1 centimeter to 0.5 centimeter. But for finding the quantity, we need to consider for the quantity for at least two decimal places when the cost is higher. Okay, for a particular item when the cost is higher, we need to take at least two decimal places of the quantity. Okay, for a lower rate, we need not to maintain this much of accuracy. Okay, when the rate is low, we need not to maintain this much of accuracy. The accuracy we are not maintaining accuracy means not need this 1 centimeter to 0.5 centimeter accuracy. Okay, when the cost is high and when the cost is low. Okay, then for example, if we consider a brickwork. So in the case of brickwork means we need to pay per cubic meter. Okay, the brickwork quantity is we are calculating per cubic meter. Okay, so when we are paying per cubic meter of the brickwork, if there is an error, that means for the length or height of the wall. Okay, for the length or height of the wall, if you added little much of length, that means maybe in centimeters. Okay, not in meters. Remember that if you are added for some error, we are added 1 centimeter or subtracted 2 centimeter. Okay, if you added or if you are subtracted in the length or height, there will be no effect in the total content. Okay, so that means when there is a change in the length or height of a wall, that means up to maybe few centimeters. Okay, so there will be no effect in the total content. There will be small little content. Okay, that will be negligible. Okay, but in the case of the width, okay, in the case of the width or thickness of the wall, okay, that means the 300 mm, 200 mm, like that wall thickness will be varies. Okay, for the thickness of the wall, okay, for the thickness of the wall, if we add or if we subtracted even half centimeter, okay, if we add or if we subtracted even half centimeter, there will be much effect on the result. Total result, there will be much effect. Okay. Remember that if we added or if we subtracted few centimeter in a brick wall length or height, there will be no effect. Okay, there will be no effect in the total content. There will be minor effect on that content. We can neglect that content. But if you added or if you subtracted in the width or thickness of your wall, even half centimeter, okay, there will be much more effect on the total content. Okay, that means we need to maintain accuracy in the width or thickness of the wall. Okay, if we need to maintain half centimeter also, we need to consider in the width or thickness of the wall. Okay, that means we need to take much more accuracy in the width of the wall. Okay, so again the quantity may be computed in this. Here also we need to take up to 2 decimal places. Okay, the quantity of the brickwork we need also consider 2 decimal places. Okay, so coming to the dimensions, okay, how much nearest value we need to take for the dimension. Okay, so similarly for area, similarly for cubic meter. Okay, so coming to the dimension, we need to take nearest to the 1 centimeter. Okay, when we are finding a measurement, we need to consider up to 1 centimeter of that measurement. Okay, so that is if you consider in meter, that is in 0.01 meter. Okay, so similarly for the area, coming to the area, we need to consider up to the 0.01 square meters. Okay, when you finding the area, okay, that area must be nearest value of the 0.01. Okay, you need to maintain 0.01 also. You need not to neglect the 0.01 area also. Okay, so similarly coming to the cubic meters. Okay, when the quantity is in cubic meters, okay, for the cubic meter you need to consider up to 0.01 cubic meter. Okay, so coming to the dimension, we need to consider nearest value of 1 centimeter. That means up to 0.01 meter. So similarly, coming to the area, we need to consider 0.01 square meters. Okay. So coming to the cubic meter, we need to consider up to 0.01 cubic meter. Okay. If you observe this, that means we need to maintain 2 decimal places. Okay. We need to maintain 2 decimal places. Okay. So coming to the thicknesses of slabs or partition walls, okay, or some sectional dimensions in columns or pillars or beams, etc. Okay, when you're finding the thickness of slab or partition of the wall or sectional dimension of a column, pillar, beam, like these, any cross-sectional area, when you're finding, you need to consider up to the nearest half centimeter. Okay, you need to take nearest half centimeter. That means 0.005 meter. Okay, up to 0.005 meter, you need to measure the dimension. Okay, up to 0.005 meter, you need to measure the dimension. Okay, so that is about degree of accuracy. Okay, so remember that degree of accuracy will depend upon the rate of the item or rate of the work, and when you paying per rate of item. Okay, that means per cubic meter or per square meter, like that. Okay, if the rate is high, we are paying the higher rate. That means you need to take much more accuracy. If the rate is low, also you need to maintain the accuracy, but you need not to take more accuracy. Okay, so that is about degree of accuracy. Okay, so remember that for length up to 1 centimeter, for area up to 0.01 square meter, up to 0.01 cubic meter for cubic contents. Okay.